Alright everyone, so far we have talked about the importance of the root account. If you are using the AWS, okay, that account is super powerful and you should never done that. So that was our first video. On the next one, we showed how to enable the MFA for the root account, and then we showed how to create one IAM user, and I'm actually logged in as the IAM user, I'm not the root user, and why you should be using that IAM user to do everything else. Now, if you want to allow CLI access to that particular IAM user, we're going to learn how to do that. So again, what I'll do, I'm already logged into my AWS management console, and I'm not using the root account, I'm using the IAM account, and you see this is my account ID that's attached to the account that I'm using. I'm going to click on here, then I'll go down to the my security credentials. So if you go over there, one thing I have already set up is my MFA. So if you have my my password and you want to log into the console, you still need the MFA. Now here is something I'm going to create. I'm going to create one access key. Now note that access key, using this access key, you will have access to the AWS CLI, and you can do everything that you do from the console, you will be able to do from the CLI. And if your key is, if it's leaked, then you're in trouble. Your MFA is not effective there. So if someone got access to your secret key, they can do everything they want, and that MFA will not do anything. The MFA will not work there at all. Now, so this is something that you have to save. This is the only time that this secret access key can be viewed or downloaded, so you cannot recover it later. Okay, however, you can create a new access keys at any time. So what you will need to do, you will need to copy your access key ID and put it in a safe place, and then hit the show secret access key and save it in some place, and then go from there. Let me do that. Let me pause the video and do that. Alright, I'm done copying my access key ID and secret access key, and then I'm gonna close this. So what's gonna happen, this is gonna be listed as the access key, and if you ever feel like your access key is leaked, you should immediately come over here and delete the access key and create a new one. Not even make inactive, just delete it. That's what I recommend. So there we go. So this is how you would create a CLI access keys for CLI, SDK, and API access. Now, one quick note, I'm logged in as the IAM user. You can actually do the same thing even if you're logged in as a root user. But the recommendation is you should not even create one access key for the root user. Do not do that. That is not required. I don't see any business case where you would need API access for the root user. That is a very important account, and you should not create any access key for the root account. All right, hopefully now you know how to create the access key, from where, and just remember, when you are coding, do not put your access key ID and your password as part of your code. Okay, don't put it on GitHub, don't put it like on code commit that AWS offers. Don't do that. Even if it's private, your developers that have access to that code repository will be able to view those keys and could do some serious damage. So just be careful and stay secure. Thanks for watching.